Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use ability material Zeta in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, so let's get right into it. First of all, Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes is a mobile game developed by EA. It is a turn-based action-adventure game where you take your heroes, either light side or dark side heroes, or rather legends or whatever they're named, basically just characters. You take them, create a team, and take that team into battle. You have several battles which you can participate in. As you can see, for the light side there are 381. There is 381 battle for the light side, and I think it's about the same for the dark side. And as I said, you need to use your characters, which you can see here in the collection. And what some characters might have are Zeta abilities. Zeta abilities are the strongest abilities that non-galactic legend characters can have, and those abilities are upgraded through ability material Zeta. Now, if I go, for example, in Ahsoka Tano, I don't think she has any Zeta abilities, and you actually need to level your characters to a certain extent to upgrade them as well. However, if a certain character has Zeta abilities, you will have the option to click on that ability and upgrade it through using Zeta or ability material Zeta. You can get ability material Zeta through defeating certain Zeta enemies, which you can find throughout your battles in the game, and by using that you will upgrade your characters' abilities, where they will become either stronger, their stats will be upgraded, or they will gain other effects. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of Zetas and what ability material Zeta is used for and how. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in another video.